How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards the three-line icon at top right corner and you need to scroll down. Select Settings and Privacy and choose Settings option. After that, you need to scroll down. Now from your activity section, select activity log. Once you get access to your activity page, you need to simply select activity history at top right corner of this activity log. Now from this activity log, you will see all your Facebook activity history. If you wish to delete a particular one, select three dots of that particular post and tap delete. So this was for individual post. But if you wish to delete all your Facebook activity log all at once, you need to come across to your settings page. Now select See More in Account Center and head towards your informations and permissions. Tap Your Activity of Meta Technologies and now tap Clear Previous Activity and choose the Clear button for your Facebook account. And once you are there, you will successfully delete Facebook activity log all at once. That's all. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.